What's up, everybody? This is Rich. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is episode 16. So I had a birthday recently and my wife, cartridge roll, got me a kick-ass gift. So I decided to take that gift, call Malthouse Motorworks, and go bananas on top of that gift. So that's what we're gonna do in this episode. Thank you very much for checking us out. Do me a favor, like the video. Let's get the algorithms moving, get the blood flowing. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, and let's get on with it. Welcome back, VW Rich, modifying my Audi S3. This is episode 16, let's go. Well, here we are on my birthday, and I'm opening this giant box, and to my absolute shock, my wife got together with Malthouse Motorworks and ordered me an integrated engineering downpipe. Yep, that's my son. He made it home for my birthday, and as you guys probably know, he's in the Navy, but he made it home, and we're just scoping it all out. Completely shocked, but now it's time to get it over to Malthouse Motorworks and get that sucker installed. Oh, that's mine. And we're gonna start on that tomorrow. More power, baby. Can't wait. Downpipe stage 2, here we come, baby. Oh, we are now underneath the car and we have to take a bunch of shit out to get that downpipe out. Skid plate is the first to come off, and the next piece is off. We've disconnected part of the dog bone here, the dog bone mount, in order to move the engine ever so slightly so we can disconnect the drive line from the transmission in order to get to the downpipe. Now up in here, Robert is trying to get to the first heat shield that we got to get out. And of course, he's using his Jedi mind and using the Force because you can't see what he's doing and his fingers are probably numb by now. But that's what's going on up here, getting that first heat shield out. First heat shield is out. Time to get the second one out. And with the magic of editing, bang! Second heat shield is out.
I wasn't prying on anything I shouldn't have. That's why I took the engine mount apart so I can flex the engine forward. Allows me to push the engine forward so I can pull the drive shaft out of its location.
Now
Fits at ships, right?
what?
If it fits at ships?
Yeah, if it fits, it ships. Fantastic sounds.
Had to be all-wheel drive, huh?
Well, yeah, I wanted all-wheel drive. Not bad. He just did this on his Golf R2 just the other day. And here we are doing it on my car. There we go. She's out. One OEM downpipe. The OEM is here. And this is integrated engineering. And those are Robert's socks. Look at him pimping some socks. Oh.
Factory location.
Yeah, that is nice. Nice
Extremely
touch.
convenient.
Yeah, it's a nice touch.
And it still uses the factory
The mount.
factory hanger on the backside of the engine also.
Look at the welds, dude. Those are so pretty.
Much easier to move around being half the size.
No shit. That'll make life a little bit easier trying to get that sucker in. I hope. Yeah. Now everything but in reverse.
Correct.
So he's up there somewhere working. And he can't see where he's working. That absolutely blows my mind. That's like some wizardry right there.
So this is held in place, so it's supported. The two studs coming off the engine that support the catalyst are loose and in place. That way I can drop the car back down now and actually set the turbo to downpipe V-band together, so that way it's all set at the right angles and nothing's being twisted or stretched out of position. But this way everything's where it's going to be. It just needs to be final torqued after I get everything lined up.
All the fittings line up really nice, huh? To the OEM.
Yeah. Much adjustment needed. It's right in place where it needs to be because it sets on the factory mounts, so it's in the factory location. So there's not much adjustment needed, but it's already there in place. This part here, this is a factory copy. So it has the correct. Oh, go back up there. You see the piping?
Yeah, it flexes correctly like the OEM one does. We don't have any issues. Nice. Good product so far. That's why I keep buying IE. Almost looks like I'm working.
I don't like this.
What don't you like? What don't you like?
Your replacement piece?
Yeah.
I think it's longer than factory.
For cutting. So this car came from the factory without a resonator. If you haven't seen the video of us discovering that the hard way, and because of that, this is a little bit longer than the one with the resonator apparently, so we got to cut a piece off. All that back and forth for this. We had this much too much space, too much pipe. So we've connected the V-band. Now you're at this point and this point. I think my screen is dirty. I'm not gonna lie, in anybody else's hands, that would make me nervous. Ow! The fuck was that? Hit my head. Tightening up the dog bone again. Get those torque down. Torque spec on this is 60 plus 90. I have to verify, but yes.
You're supposed to replace your bolts also. If anybody out there is actually watching that cares.
Replace the bolts what?
Whenever you take them apart, it's supposed to be torqued to you.
Yeah. We're not replacing the bolts though.
No. We're planning on doing engine mounts.
Yep, we are. We are going to end up upgrading this dog bone and engine mounts, so we'll end up getting new ones of these anyway in the near future. We got the bolts attached, the bevel box, and the driveline. Now we just have to torque them. Robert says it needs to be torqued to 60 Newton meters. So that's next. What we have to do to get to it. Well, first heat shield is almost in. Second heat shield is going in. Can't see it, but it's way in there. Last little piece of the puzzle underneath the car. Well, not the last, we've still got this to put on. This, then that, then the car on the ground. And on to the next task. So now we're just reattaching the O2 sensor. And assuming tighten that up. Did we do that one already?
It's already tight.
Oh, never mind.
The IE cast is thicker than the factory, so it doesn't touch anymore.
Nice. So we have Robert has successfully installed the IE downpipe.
Tune and go.
Tune and go now. Now it's time to add stage 2.